Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Infobooth 19. Today we are going to see an interesting gongura pickle recipe. So gongura, it is also called as red sorrel leaves. So it gives some tangy kind of taste and it will be very awesome and it will be very tasty. Gongura leaves we can use in multiple dishes, like for example you can make it as a pickle, or you can have it like dal, gongura dal, or it will be very good with gongura mutton, chicken. So lot of recipes we can try around this gongura leaves. So surely you all need to give it a try. If you see, I have one small balcony garden where I grow this gongura leaves. So I don't have much quantity, so only little bit I am going to use from here, and remaining I am going to use the store-bought gongura leaves. So I have taken here around 6 full cups of leaves. So since it is a pickle, I want to make it as a huge quantity and store it for a longer time. So that's the reason. So if you see as a bundle, you can take around 4 to 5 bundles, and then one bundle I have taken from home and remaining 4 bundles I have bought from outside. So wash it thoroughly with water, and it needs at least air drying for around 2 to 3 hours. You need to dry it completely. If moisture content is there, the pickle will get spoiled easily. So once you wash it, ensure that it is dried completely. So to start with, what we are going to do is, first we are going to dry roast mustard and fenugreek. So for that, in a pan I have taken 1 tablespoon of mustard. Dry roast it till it settles. So you don't need to add any oil or anything. When you see only, you will get to know the mustard color will start changing and also it will start crackling. So that's the point you need to take and keep it aside. Next we can fry similarly, dry roast the fenugreek or methi seeds. The same quantity, 1 tablespoon we have taken mustard, the same tablespoon you can take fenugreek or methi seeds as well. So dry roast it till nice aroma comes and it becomes slightly brown. Keep the flame at low, ensure that you don't burn the fenugreek or any masalas. So keep it aside once it is done for cooling. Now we are going to add dry red chili. So if you want the pickle to be more spicy, you can add completely this kind of chili, or if you want only the color, if you don't need more spiciness, you can add Kashmiri red chili. So here I have added around 15 to 20 dry red chilies. So this you can adjust as per taste. Just again you need to dry roast it till it becomes black spots comes on it. So that's where you get the nice flavor of the chili. So once it is fried, take and keep it aside. Once it gets cooled completely, methi, fenugreek or this mustard and red chili, grind it to a fine powder and keep it aside. So to prepare the pickle, you can take a wide pan, big pan you can take, and add 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. So tatko also we will be adding at the last. So here we are adding only 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. So now 2 big tomatoes you can take, wash it and dry it completely and chop it finely, and you can add into the oil. Just we need to fry the tomato in oil for some 2 to 3 minutes along with 1 tablespoon of jeera. So this gives nice flavor, and the jeera and the tomato, it has to get cooked in the oil well. So this tomatoes also gives tanginess, so this pickle is going to be awesome. So if you don't need tomato, you can skip this step and directly you can add gongura leaves. So now if you see, the tomatoes are half cooked. At this point of time, we are going to add the washed and dried gongura leaves. So my pan is small, so one shot I cannot add everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add few and close the lid and cook it for some 30 to 40 seconds. So if you close the lid, it will start getting cooked and the leaves will become shrunken. So you will get more space to add some more leaves to that. So I'm going to close and keep the lid. So once it starts shrinking, you will have enough space to add in a pan, and slowly batch by batch you can add all the leaves. If you have big pan, you can add in one shot. How much leaves we have added and how much it came to finally. So any spinach or leaves if we take, it will be like that only. So that's the reason we are not adding salt at the beginning, because if you add salt at the beginning, then you might end up adding more salt. So that's the reason for this pickle especially, salt should be added towards the end, because the leaves will shrinken and the quantity will reduce. So we need to add accordingly. So when you're closing and mixing, mix well in between. Just keep an eye on it, otherwise it will get burnt at the bottom. So just keep mixing. Now if you see, the tomatoes also got cooked completely, and even the leaves also got cooked completely. So the nice flavor, nice smell is coming here. So now we will add the other masala slowly. It didn't take more than 10 to 15 minutes for me. Within 10 to 15 minutes this is ready. Now we are going to add salt. Salt you can add little bit extra because as it is a pickle, the salt acts as a preservative and also it gives more taste, and as you keep store pickle for longer time, the flavor will get more depth. So that's the reason we are adding salt more. So you can add little bit of extra level of salt. So for me 2 tablespoons of salt is enough for this. So I have added 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. Now we are going to add the prepared powder. So whatever we have grinded and kept, this chili, fenugreek and methi, that powder you can just add and mix it well. You need to combine everything together. So since we have already fried, that raw smell will not come more, but you need to cook it for another 1 or 2 minutes and ensure that there is no raw smell in the pickle. So it will be faster. This pickle, the entire preparation doesn't take more than 15 minutes. Only the preparation part of drying, washing and drying leaves will take more time. Now if you see the masala and the pickle, gongra, leaves, tomatoes, everything became more softer and it got cooked completely and the taste amazing. So you can turn off the stove and keep it aside. Now we will prepare tadka for this pickle. For preparing tadka, so you can heat 5 tablespoons of gingerly oil. Why we are adding more oil? Because we are preparing more in quantity. So it has to come for a longer time. You can store this pickle and have for more than 6 to 7 months. You can keep it in fridge and you can have it longer time. And that's the reason we are adding more salt and this more oil. So for any pickle, try out this gingerly oil. You can add 1 tablespoon of mustard and wait till it gets crackled. And then now you can add 10 to 12 garlic. You can slightly crush it so that the flavor will come out nicely. Don't remove the skin. Add with the skin. It will be tasting amazing once it is fried. So this garlic is optional. If you don't want to add, you can skip this step. And then some 4 to 5 red chili you can just add into it. So this is the tadka. So once this tadka is ready, directly you can add it to the pickle and our pickle is ready to serve. So any pickle, if you take any pickle as storage, the flavor will get increased. So the first day if you try, it will not be that much this one, but as you keep storing, more flavor will come. Finally we are adding 1 tablespoon of hing and our pickle is ready. It's very much flavorful and it is very tasty. So after 2 days if you try, you get the authentic this Gongura pickle taste will be coming. So surely you all need to give it a try. It's a mouth-watering recipe. Even if with white rice you can just mix this and eat. It is that much tasty it is. See how interesting it is looking. So as you store, the oil will come out. So don't worry, don't think that I have added less oil. Oil will be coming out. So store this in a glass bottle or in a ceramic or in a clay pot. Don't store in stainless steel. I have told multiple times in many of my pickle videos. So enjoy this recipe. If you try this recipe, share the dish photo to the email ID given below. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.